We have a toy review on Surf and Slide.
Yeah, I got this.
Where'd you get it from, Aiden? Where did we get this from?
Walmart. Like all the toys, like Red Squirrel and everything, and dinosaurs. I like dinosaurs.
Oh, it comes with dinosaurs. Let's go. Surf and Slide. This is actually a good gift. Give him the surfer. And it comes with surfers, dinosaurs. It comes with props. These guys just could not wait. Woo! It's really cool. It hooks to your water hose. It comes with a dinosaur and little props, 2 turtles, and also a pterodactyl just stands on the side. Cool. Go Aiden. Go Aiden. Kid Tyler, brother Aiden. Hey. Whoa, Aiden.
I go super fast.
You do. And Tyler, perfect birthday gift. And we got this at Walmart. And it's from ages 6+.